Put that on your hand just for a moment. Now, look at your fingers. And look at Hannah's fingers. Now.
Yeah, maybe that middle one is going a bit bendy.
You see it, it's impossible for it to bend like that. Now.
Ooh, it's rather odd.
No, what?
Why is that?
What's happening is that there's a servant girl here, and I said, basically, would you show Liza your fingers? And she said, certainly. So she's got into your aura, and now she's slowly changing your fingers so that you can see her hand. Now watch. Can you see that?
Well, I can certainly see something. Yes.
Now, move your fingers, Hannah, back and forward. Now, can you feel something gently tickling your fingers?
Yes.
Even though Hannah's fingers are at least 2 inches away.
What is that?
That's the photoplasmic energy that they use. What's between yourself and Hannah's finger?
There's something there. There's a sort of blue shadow.
A blue mist.
Yeah.
Blue and white mist. Now, if you just move your finger, you see it?
That appeared from below your fingertip.
Yes.
A sort of blue, sparkly thing.
That's it.
For a second. But is that just your thing creating it?
No.
Patrick?
No, it's the energy that the spirit are using. Because basically, as I said, I can't create an energy that will distort your body or your fingers. You can feel it, you can see it, you can sense it.
It seems to come and go. I mean,
That's
like
right.
when I'm over there, it seems to be much. It's really coming and going.
You know why?
Why?
Because this girl, she's only this big, she's smaller than Hannah. And she's actually standing in between you. So when you move your finger there, and then move your finger there, you'll see your finger's going through something. Look. Look at your finger.
Yeah.
You see the cloud?
Yeah.
But it goes out, disappears, and then comes back. And then look at your finger, because what she'll do, what's it, Millie will actually distort your finger. What? Can you see it change? Describe what you're seeing.
Well, something just flickered on my 4th finger.
Yes.
And it's creating a sort of silhouette round it.
That's it, because she's holding your finger.
And it's now moving into the middle finger and the index finger as well. It's almost like a sort of thick, like an impression of someone else's hand.
That's it, because her little hand is holding your fingers.
But she seems to particularly like my 4th finger, and that sometimes there's a really strong flash of blue and little bits of green as well.
That's it, that's the energy.
You know, something was going on there.
Just look between our one finger there. Now, can you see the energy? There's no light, and you can feel that gently tickling your finger, can't you?
Yes.
What do you see?
The middle one sort of bent.
Yeah, but it's impossible for your middle finger to be bent that much, not without breaking your finger.
No, yeah. I mean, that when you do that, I can feel some a bit like pins and needles or something coming through.
That's it, because there's a cloud of energy just here. Now, if you just lift your hand very slowly up and down, like this. Now look at your fingers. Watch, because your fingertips will just disappear. Look. Do you see that?
Yeah.
And also watch your fingers, because you'll leave a trail behind you with your fingers. See that? That's the spirit body of this young girl. So this is just a sort of preemptive experiment. But interesting, isn't it?
Yes.